I really feel happy, pero more importantly po, honored, no? Lalo na parang ito po yung opportunity namin na ma-realize na yung leadership po namin, marami pa palang mararating. Marami pa po mga tao na pwede naming matulungan at na-inspire po kami kasi nare-realize nga po namin na there are so many like-minded people na pareho po kami ng goals and nakita po namin na marami pa po kaming magagawa with the help of this community. Sabi nga po ng speakers kanina, we are a family here at TOSA, and seeing that I have friends here po na nakita ko po na gano'n po sila kagaling, at the same time gano'n po sila kabait. Nare-realize ko po na there is so much more room for growth, especially for me. And this award, aside po sa fact na syempre masaya po tayo, but it fuels that passion to grow more as a person, as an individual, and to bring what we learned here in Angeles to wherever we go.
Ito ang sinabi ni Burwell Rochester P. Ocampo ng Angeles City Science High School matapos sa parangalan bilang isa sa The Outstanding Senior High Students of Angeles City o TOSA 2025. Isinagawang awarding ng Gawad Parangal sa Gabaldon Hall ng Department of Education Schools Division Office of Angeles City o DepEd SDO Angeles City. Bukod kay Ocampo, kabilang sa mga TOSA awardees ngayong taon sina Clarice Zenaya Ann M. Apostol ng Governor Rafael L. Lazatin Integrated School, Lyle T. Castro ng Systems Plus College Foundation, Justin Kaiser Uway Cosico ng Rafael L. Lazatin Memorial High School, Mariel Crizel Y. David ng Holy Angel University, Princess Maristel L. Dairit ng Angeles City National Trade School, Gabriel B. Patungan ng Bonifacio V. Romero Memorial High School, at Mary Felicity B. Ravelo ng Angeles City Science High School. Ayon kay Daniel Morales Salazar, Local Organization President ng JCI Angeles City Kulat, ang TOSA ay matagal ng proyekto ng kanilang grupo, katuwang ang DepEd SDO Angeles City.
This aims to give inspiration to our students, senior high level, kasi we also have yung mga high school namin, which is called Wailea, but this one is for the senior high, for them to be inspired and to prepare them for their future. Kasi we would like to start assessing the students at an early age for their character sa leadership talaga. Yeah, aside from the academics, like overall. Actually, we are really looking at a younger age kasi they're very active. The ideas are there. Like, hindi naman dahil less responsibility, but we are preparing them sa pressure ng life then in the future. Lalo na if they wanted to, what do you call this? If they wanted to become a leader na nagsiserve sa community, we really need, like our country really needs that kind of people na papass on, ganyan, to influence then the young one.
Sinabi naman ni Nico G. Morato Jr., TOSA Project Chairman, na naging matagumpay ang Gawad Parangal sa tulong ng iba't ibang partners.
Pinoproduce namin mga future leaders, syempre. Alam namin na sa una pa lang, hindi naging madali ang kanilang pinagdaanan. Pero kung pagbabasihan natin sa mga pinaghirapan nila, ang daming mga dumaan na pagsubok sa buhay nila. Pero nakita natin na masaya, nakangiti ang ating mga awardees. Siyempre, ine-expound namin sila bilang mga future leaders. Siyempre, naniniwala kami sa kanilang kakayahan na alam namin na hindi pa sila hanggat dyan at marami pa silang mararating at mataas pa ang kanilang makakamit na parangal.
At may mako-contribute sa atin.
Yes, at may mako-contribute pa silang tulong o impluwensya, hindi lang sa kapwa nilang kabataan, kundi pati na rin sa sambayan ng Pilipino.
Naniniwala si Amando Yutuk, Chief Education Supervisor, Curriculum Implementation Division ng DepEd SDO Angeles City, na dumaan sa matinding seleksyon bago napili ang mga TOSA ngayong taon.
Kung titignan po natin, sir, no, dumaan yan sa isang masusing screening process, rigid screening process. And I have said a while back, I had been engaged for 3 years now in the screening process, from the paper evaluation to the panel interview. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya sa academics tinitignan din po yung ibang arena, ibang dimensions ng ating mga would-be outstanding students. like yung kanilang character, yung kanilang commitment, yung leadership nila, and community service. So, through the screening process, I would say that they have selected the deserving, outstanding senior high students of Angeles.
Anya, mahalaga rin ang kolaborasyon ng public and private sector sa kapakanan ng mga mag-aaral.
We provided quality education to our learners in Angeles City. And actually, in the articulation of quality education, in DepEd Angeles City, we maximize instructional supervision, mentoring, coaching, technical assistance to our teachers, to our school heads, so they can deliver their functions well for the benefit of our learners. And we produce this kind of learners because of doing our mandates and, of course, partnership with our external partners, collaboration with our external partners, just like the JCI Kulyatan.
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.